And then how much baking powder?
1/4
teaspoon. Just like I'm getting here. These teaspoons or tablespoons? Oh, the tablespoon. How much? 1/4 teaspoon?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you right here. Jittery J. Silly girl. Egg white. You want to put the 3 cups of water in here too?
Did it say to?
In vegetable oil, 3/4 cups, 4 to 6 cups of vegetable.
No, you just doing this.
Oh, I'm doing this. Okay. So egg white, flour, and
What's the
baking powder.
ingredients while gradually?
While gradually what?
Start adding water.
Oh, while adding it. Okay. Well, I gotta put an egg white in there actually.
You want me to do it?
Let me try. Alright, hold it.
Yeah. Just don't let the yellow part go in. Oh lordy.
Maybe you should do it, man.
Okay, preheat the oil. Dip the diced chicken into the batter until fully coated. Shake off the excess. Place the battered chicken into the hot oil until grilled and browned to 3 to 5 minutes. Strain the chicken and wire it. Oh. All day long.
100 notifications. Oh my god. And it shows 100, like 200, so that means it's different. So it's probably like, what, like 100 comments, 100 likes, and 100 follows or something like that.
Taste test. Oh.
Just told Zana you was at 2018.
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
I need some salt. Seasoning. The salt.
Gotcha. Right there. Okay. That should do it. Okay. I'm pretty deep, man. I'm pretty deep.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Air fryer.
Hey, baby.
do it again. Put a garnish on up there. Let's work on the sauce now. So take the chicken and put it in the bowl. Oh, chicken. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really like that.
That's so good. My favorite, okay? This orange rose. Get you some. Well, don't get it because I'm gonna have them all. Okay, put these boys in there. Ooh, that rice.
Are you going in the air fryer?
Air fryer, no. The oven.
Oh. Sesame sauce. Place saucepan on medium high in the saucepan. Add brown sugar, sesame oil, rice. You got it all mixed in or no?
No, you gotta put them in the pot.
Just put it right in the pot?
Yeah.
So, it gotta be measured out or something?
Yeah.
So, probably should put it in the bowl first.
You don't have to though. Just measure it and pour it right in the pot. It's a sauce. You don't have to put it. So much bacon.
So before I start cooking, just put it in there and then start cooking?
Like as you measure, put it in there.
Sesame oil, brown sugar, quarter cup of brown sugar, tablespoon sesame oil, honey, sriracha sauce, teaspoon of honey, teaspoon of sriracha sauce. Huh? You gonna do that to the sriracha too? And then soy sauce. How much soy sauce? Teaspoon. That's a quarter teaspoon. Garlic salt, you can do that. Hoisin sauce, we don't have none of that, huh? Alright, so that's it then. For 5 minutes and then stir in the sesame seeds. I'm over here trying to follow the cookbook to the T, and this shit here just cooking with a feeling. Just feel it, and she just do it. I'm over here struggling with my little cups, and she just, yeah, that's it.
Either you got it or you don't.
Hey, that's why she the head chef and I'm the sous, all right? you go.
What am I doing with this, you may ask? Just wait and see. Press so I can hold the cup.
I always wondered how you did this.
I usually use the cup measuring cup. Play with it.
Sheesh. That's tough.
That's a meal.
Now you just showing out now.
That's a meal.
Now you just showing out.
Anyways, book me. Link in the bio. Oh, dessert.
Oh man.
Can't forget about dessert. Let's do dessert. Precious babies. This baby up first. A few seconds.
Oh man.
Signature orange sauce. I could definitely make this dessert my own.
Good.
30 seconds. Not even 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Yep.
Your turn. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, stop playing. Stop it.
I don't play about these orange rolls, okay? Life. Oh my gosh, I'm so fat.
That's tough.
So good. I don't play about these orange rolls. Dinner is served. Dinner is served. Looks good, right? Mm-hmm. Book me. Link in the bio. How with this? Libon?